Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one, we're talking about how to use Steam Web API to fetch CS2 inventory data. Okay, so extract your target's user unique 17-digit Steam ID 64 string from their profile account parameters. Then guys, the target account's inventory privacy setting must be set explicitly to public, or Steam's firewall will throw a terminal security rejection. We will target Steam's dedicated community inventory endpoint, passing app ID 730 for CS2 and context ID 2 for weapon asset buckets. Steam returns inventory payloads in two isolated blocks, so raw individual assets and global item descriptions. We will run a data join loop to match unique structural identifiers across both arrays. You can use this code on the screen. This allows us to instantly isolate the item's true market name, exterior wear grade context, and sticker array modifications. So just stop relying on clumsy web scrapers that break every time Steam updates its interface layout. That's how it's done. As always, enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe.